GOODWAY is been focusing on the research and development of sweet potato and cassava oil processing equipment for more than 30 years. As a high-tech enterprise, we have established a provincial-level sweet potato processing equipment and technology research and development team. GOODWAY has built up a well-experienced and hard-working technology service and project managing team, can provide clients total solution for starch and derivatives engineering projects. We are professional companies that provide turnkey project solution, engineering consulting, equipment, supply, technical R&D, and customer services. Our company focuses on the deep processing of cassava, mainly has the following production line configuration. Part of our dairy processing machine and cassava flour processing machine. Cassava starch production line. Since the establishment of the company, serving more than 1,000 customers, including foreign cassava processing companies such as Atkin, Empresa, CGFM. Providing clients highest quality products is our target from the founding of our company. Higher quality, higher yield, lower consumption, easier operation is the consistent goal of our company.